says Olivia Wilde, I managed to move out of London, buy a house in Shropshire and open my own business doing what I love, advising on wind instruments for musicians. Very nicely done there.
Fucking state that, mate. Focus, you piece of crap.
Talking of wind now, Bobby.
Toyota Yaris. The new Yaris is basically a Ford Fiesta, as well as the new Mazda 2. Ooh, more cars that are Ford. Oh, Mazda as General. They weren't owned by Ford. They had a lot of Ford parts at one point. A lot of Ford parts they used to have the windscreen.
What's your NPD name, Bobby?
Even the old Mazdas were Ford.
Provide some inspiration for the nation.
Well, I'm going out tonight, so I'm going to pack lunch.
Speaking of Ford KA, mate, that's your 500.
Cheeses.
Different types of cheese are the same.
No, they're different cheeses. That's my tea tonight.
Did
With
you
a box
get
of
a
Kia
tomatoes.
Picanto, aka Hyundai i10. The new one, I think, is a Fiesta.
I thought I need to have food.
Land Rover.
So sweet, like a little travel squirrel. Okay, she's on the way with travel news. The rest
A
of
Ford
you provide
Focus.
inspiration. 88291. Your name, your place. What you having for your dinner?
When MTV launched in America, it collided with a revolution.
A Ford Fiesta. A Ford Focus.
Has been created by MTV.
A Ford Focus. A Ford Cougar. A Ford Mondeo.
The idea about music videos at that time was go one step further.
Incredibly exotic locations. I mean, there were
A Ford Focus.
Was MTV a British invention with Adam Buxton? Saturday night.
A Mazda
on BBC
630, like what my mum's got.
It's fantastic.
A Ford Fusion 2.
Thank you,
A
Sarah. A69.
Ford Fiesta van. That's basically what the new Puma is.
M65 westbound, 4 to 3 to Blackburn West. We've still got it closed completely for investigation work, so big queues through there. M60 clockwise, 8 carriages.
Grand C-Max, Transit, Mondeo, Cougar, Fiesta, Fusion 2, Fiesta. Every 3 cars, all cars in the UK, don't matter where you're on average, 1 out of every 3 cars is a Focus. Or Ford, should I say. 1 out of every 3 cars is Ford. So 1 car, Ford, okay? A Jaguar, though, basically a Ford, a 1 car and 1 car that are not Ford, okay? Sphera, then you see this Ford in front of us. Citroen, Fiesta, Civic, Kia, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Fiesta.
Living in the heart of love.
So 3 cars under Ford, 2 cars under Ford, and then 4 cars under Ford. Average, 3. Another Focus on the Transit. Another Galaxy.
Never wanna see your face again. Don't wanna get caught in your spell. I'ma make you put me through living hell. Time and time again. When you see you at the party, get up, stand up and run away. You put it on me.
People don't stop calling when you're driving. My auntie Sonia lives. Oh yeah. Look, my auntie Sonia lives down that way. Look, down there. Yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a Mazda, and a Fiesta, and a Cougar, and a Transit, and a Transit, and a Focus, Fiesta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a Focus. Oh, sorry, Alfa Romeo, and a Focus, and a Transit, and a Focus, a Land Rover, a Transit, a Fiesta. 2 cars that are not Fords, okay? So we see 6 cars that are not Fords, and then we see like 4 cars that are Fords, you know what I mean? Another Ford, an Audi. There's 1 car in between those 2 Fords. Oh no! Oh no! Jesus Christ! Literally, mate, 1 in 3 cars in the UK are Fords. 1 in 3 cars. Can't you tell?